This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Thursday, August 2nd, 2007. Stocks turned around during late trading today. The Dow Jones closed higher by about 100 points at 13,463. The Nasdaq followed suit, closing higher by 22.1 points at 2575. And the S&P 500 also participated in the rally. It closed higher by 6.5 points at 1472. First-time claims for state unemployment benefits edged back up in the latest week after dropping for 3 weeks in a row, but remained at levels suggesting a healthy U.S. labor market. Initial unemployment claims rose by 4,000 to 307,000 the week ending July 28th. The 4-week moving average of new claims dropped by 3,500 to 3,500 and 500. European Central Bank head Jean-Claude Trichet said the bank is strongly vigilant on inflation and other economic conditions, a phrase seen by most analysts as a signal for a future rate hike. Trichet made the remark after the bank left its rate unchanged at 4%. Mattel's Fisher-Price unit will recall nearly 1 million Chinese-made toys amid concerns they may contain hazardous level of lead paint. The recall involves 967,000 toys units featuring licensed characters including Emo and Dora the Explorer, made between April 19th and July 6th and sold in U.S. stores since May. The recall will mean a $30 million reduction in Mattel's pre-tax operating profit. Northwest Airlines and its pilots made a deal that would ease pilots' workload in an effort to stop end-of-the-month cancellations that have plagued the airline. Northwest was forced to cancel hundreds of flights at the end of June and July because it couldn't find enough pilots. The airline said more pilots than usual weren't showing up for work. Pilots said they were overworked under a new, tougher schedule implemented under bankruptcy. In earnings news, Nokia accounts that the world's largest maker of mobile phones would see some volatility in its operating margins in the upcoming quarters. Nokia's second quarter net income more than doubled to 2.83 billion euros or 72 euros per share, up from 1.14 billion or 28 euros a share a year earlier. Walt Disney reported higher earnings and sales for the third quarter, driven by double-digit growth across nearly all of its segment, and also acquired the Club Penguin online site for children. Disney said third quarter income was 1.18 billion or 57 cents a share, compared with 1.13 billion or 43 cents a share in the same period a year ago. Eastman Kodak reported a second quarter profit despite lower sales as the photography and commercial printing company trimmed its expenses and improved margins. Net income for the quarter was $592 million or $2.06 a share, compared with a loss of $282 million in the 2006 quarter. World Wrestling Entertainment said second quarter earnings fell 52% from a year ago due to an impairment charge. WWE reported second quarter net income of $7 million or 10 cents a share. International Paper said its second quarter profit more than doubled year over year, but failed to meet Wall Street expectations. Net income rose to $190 million or 44 cents per share from 83 million or 17 cents a share a year ago. Scheduled economic reports for Friday include the non-farm payrolls for July and ISM Service Index for July. As for earnings news for Friday, we have Weyerhaeuser, Toyota Motor, British Airways, Olympic Steel, Procter & Gamble, and the Washington Post. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Thursday, August 2nd, 2007.